Good afternoon, everybody. Another hot day in Iowa. I'll be glad when we can say it's a warm day in Iowa. But yesterday, or the last video, I made that shelf with the weathered board, and I liked it so well that I thought I'd make something else with it. So with fall coming on, I thought what would be cute would be, I have this wallpaper border that I've had for years. I cut them out, pieces of them, and I'm going to put it on this box, and it's going to be like a little probably a little catch-all box, but it's pre-pasted, and with any luck they'll stay on. Well, it looks like this isn't going to stick very good. It is old wallpaper. Maybe the stick, the paste or something has come off, but so I'll put a little Mod Podge on it there. Probably have to put that all over it. But the calendar makes me think it's fall, but the weather doesn't. And I want to get started on fall decorating, but I just can't get in the mood when it's so hot out. I have 4 of these different little packets. I don't ever remember using this, actually. I probably bought it and opened it and decided on something else. But that'll keep it on, hopefully. So what about everybody else? Is it hot where you guys are at? It is in the high 80s here. So if you can beat that, let me know. Because we're way above the average for the year. But anyway, putting this Mod Podge on. Thank God for whoever invented that. Okay, and I really don't think I have to do anything else to it except pray that these things stick. But I think it'll be cute for harvest. It's got all the seeds and the corn and stuff for harvest. You know, we're in Iowa, that's what we do here. Okay, and then I have this little hanging thing, and I did have some dries in it, and I've pulled them out. So I thought this would be cute, but I'm not even going to mess with the water. I'm just going to go straight for the I do that a lot. I look around the house and think, oh, well, I don't need to buy a container. I got this one in the closet. that I threw in there 2 years ago. But anyway, I'm going to put this corn seed bag on here. And I have had a pick that I bought at, I think it was the Dollar Tree, I think. And so I'm just going to poke some of them in here. I'll probably have to get another one. But boy, that stuff is hard to poke into. I just kind of like how the corn's looking this year. And kind of leaning over. Anyway, it'd be cute hanging, not on the front door, but maybe on the door going into the bathroom or downstairs or something. I think that's kind of cute, actually. I like that better than the box. And you know, when you're cutting wood or your husband's cutting wood for you and you end up with all these little pieces like this, don't throw them away, because you can make cute little things like this. I had all these little ones, so I made, from my Cricut, I made these little letters and glued them all together. I love Mom. Well, anyway, and then on another one, I painted it, but it's not very dark. I made something from my Cricut, the Boo, and I got this little ghost that I found up in the craft room. So I'm just gonna put some glue on top, or on the bottom of him, and set him right there. There's just so much you can do. I've wrote the words apple and found little apples to put up there, you know. And when I was cutting the wallpaper out, I come across, when I was cutting them down, I found that I got these cute little words, like this one says favorite. So I'm just gonna put these, it says favorite brand. You could put it like by your coffee, something like that would be cute. Or you could even find something to stick up there. And then this one says, for the buyer, catalog of seed. But I've never ordered any seeds. So anyway, but this is just something I wanted to show you, that you really don't have to throw away all those little pieces of scrap, because there's just so much that you can do with them. And this is just one example that I wanted to show you. And Jim moved my box over there, but looks like it's drying pretty good. But I wanted to show you this table that I finished a couple of weeks ago, and it's on Facebook Marketplace. And I stripped it and painted it and made a Cricut quote and put on it, and then I covered it with Annie Sloan stain wax and turned out pretty cute. It's so if you're interested, just give me a holler, and I'm going to say goodbye because I'm roasting out here. And remember to like the video, please. And God bless, and I'll see you later. Bye.